Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to extract text from PowerPoint presentation to Word document. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft PowerPoint, click the Create One option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Extracting text from a PowerPoint presentation to a Word document can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, Word documents offer more advanced text editing and formatting options compared to PowerPoint. Okay, extracting text allows for easier manipulation and styling. Word documents are often preferred for collaborative work and review processes. Colleagues, client, companies, and your boss can use features like track changes and comments more effectively in Word. Now, if you are using the PowerPoint on the web, when you hover to the option, there's no option for you to click on the export. All right, you can only have save as, and it's a little bit limiting. What I would do is to use the PowerPoint application on your computer instead. Now, once you are using the PowerPoint application on your computer, I need you to hover to the file section and I need you to look for the export. Okay, now if you don't have that option, that means you are using an older version of the PowerPoint. But do not worry, because just save it as a PowerPoint for now, and we are going to use another platform wherein we can simply convert the PowerPoint presentation to a Word document. All we have to do is drag and drop the document here to upload, and the website is called PDF Feeler. All right, now from here, once your file has been loaded, as you can see that it has been converted to a rich text. All right, because Word documents are more accessible for individuals, and text from PowerPoint can be integrated into a larger document, such as project reports, proposals, or white papers, which are typically created in Word. And it is also easier to share via email or cloud storage without worrying about formatting issues. And from here, all I have to do is click on the pages and click on done, and of course download the file, save the document to your device or your cloud, and that's that. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.